Gearbox World Certified Service Center. We sell all automatic, genuine, and untampered gearbox like Toyota, Lexus, Hyundai, Ford, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Suzuki, Chevrolet, etc. We also repair. You can swap, convert, replace Japan, Belgium, Tokumbo at Gearbox World. We diagnose all automatic gearbox. We deliver nationwide and beyond. We also do waybill. We are located at Shop 13 RM3 Plaza, Ladipo, Mushim, Lagos. Also located Real Auto Plaza 151 Ladipo Street, Maturi, Ladipo, Lagos. Call WhatsApp 08068199968. Follow us at Gearbox World. Say goodbye to all your automatic gearbox nightmare.